Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to see this numbering pattern. If you have solved the previous question, it would be very easy for you. So let's analyze this pattern. We have in total 5 rows and 5 columns, right? And as we know, row is taken care by the outer loop and column is taken care by the inner loop. And since we are seeing this pyramid kind of structure, so this means that inner loop is dependent on outer loop. Okay. So with these two concepts, we can move ahead with the solution, but we'll also have this question of what we are going to display. That we'll see later. First, try to create this simple loops. So I is equals to 1, I is going to run till 5, and I plus plus. We're going to take a variable empty string and we're going to run a inner loop. J is equals to 1. J is going to run till I times. Why? Because inner loop is dependent on the outer loop. And J plus plus. So the question here is what we are going to display here in the row. That is the question. So if we try to see, we are starting the row as 1. And in the second row, it's 0. It goes till 1. In the third row, it's again 0. Goes till 0. And in the next one, it's 1. So in the last example, what we saw was, it was always starting from 1. And it was toggling between 1 and 0 inside of each row. But here it is little different. It is actually not toggling between any rows. If we flattened out this pattern, it's something like 1 0 1 0 1 0 and so on. Okay, so it is not toggling between the rows, but the value is definitely toggling between 1 and 0 in an alternative manner. What we can do here is we can just define a variable with the value as 1. Why 1? Because it is starting from 1. If it was 0, we would have given it 0. And we are going to add this toggle here. First, let us see what we are getting at this point. Okay. So at this point, we are getting this 1 all over the place, but we need 0 also. What we are going to do inside of this row, we are just going to check if toggle is equals to 1. We are going to change it to 0. And else we are going to keep it as 1. Let's run this solution and see if this is the output that we are expecting. So you can see this is the output that we are expecting. What is the difference between this solution and the last solution is that we were using this toggle inside of this inner loop somewhere here. Okay, so every time the inner loop was ending, this toggle was actually refreshing and starting from 1. Okay, so what I mean by this is, if I put this toggle here instead of here, we get the pattern as this, starting from 1 all the time and toggling between 1 and 0. It is happening because every time this inner loop is ending, this toggle is getting refreshed. We don't want it to be refreshed. We want it to just be defined once so that we can get this pattern. So yes, this was the solution for this question. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.